Google has been everywhere this year at CES, but its most interesting reveal has been smart displays. We had the chance to spend a few minutes checking one out from Lenovo. Like home speakers, smart displays with Assistant built in can control appliances and tell you information, but the display adds a lot more to the experience. For example, it can show you your calendar events, recipes, YouTube, directions on Google Maps, and much more. Lenovo is one of Google's first partners delivering one of these speakers alongside JBL, LG, and Sony, but they all run the same software. Like you'd expect, there's a home screen with basic information like the time and weather, but any command you give to the device opens up a new screen, and the interface overall is really gorgeous, especially when it comes to music. Now, swiping back from the left of the screen goes back to the previous screen, and a swipe up from the bottom reveals some basic controls such as volume, brightness, power, and a mute switch for the always listening "Hey Google" command. Now, Lenovo has also added a physical shutter to its smart display to cover the camera, which is used for Google Duo. Lenovo will be selling its smart displays later this year, starting at $199, and we're expecting quite a few more to hit the market in the coming months. To learn more, head over to 9to5google.com and stay tuned for more from CES 2018.